Hey, what's going on YouTube? What's happening, guys? Got some big news regarding Printful. Printful is now offering an additional service. So in addition to doing print on demand for you, they'll also warehouse and offer fulfillment services for your other products. So if you have a private label product, if you sell some other type of product and you want Printful to fulfill those orders for you, Printful will now do that. So I actually learned about this. I actually just got an email from Printful, I think earlier in the day today or last night. And it said, hello there, no sales from your design products so far. Perhaps adding amazingly fun products from third-party suppliers can help your store flourish. Sell water bottles, pins, patches, books, magnets, and much more, and let Printful's warehousing and fulfillment take care of the rest. Choose the products you want to sell, send us your inventory, we'll stock it, and we'll ship the products under your brand once it comes in. If you don't know where to start, read our blog post on how to choose a product to dropship. With Printful's warehousing and fulfillment, you'll get same-day order fulfillment. I believe it's same day up until 2 o'clock. Faster shipping times with warehouses based in the US and Europe. Smooth use with Shopify, WooCommerce, and more. Let's see, we flex, we receive, process, and ship your orders. You relax. So if we head on over to Printful here, and let me kind of lay out what this service is. So I imagine most people are familiar with Amazon FBA, right? Now, you know, a lot of people or most people who sell on Amazon, they store their inventory in Amazon's warehouses. And when something sells on Amazon, they ship it out. Now, I think fewer people probably know about this, but some of you guys may use this. You can also use Amazon or Amazon's FBA warehouse to send orders to your Shopify customers, your eBay customers, and customers outside of the Amazon platform. But then we also have other like 3PL companies. These companies would include things like Shipwire or Redstag. And these are companies where, you know, let's say you got 1,000 backpacks that you want to sell and you don't want to sell all your inventory in FBA. So maybe you send 500 units into Amazon FBA and you also want to sell them on, I don't know, we'll say Shopify. But for whatever reason, you don't want to have to ship out your own orders. Maybe you're busy at work and you can't be running packages to the post office. Maybe you have a small apartment or you're renting a room and you don't have room for all your inventory. Whatever it is, there's companies like Redstag and Shipwire and now Printful, who you can send your inventory into them. They'll hold the inventory there, and then as that inventory sells, they'll ship it out to your customers. And typically these things will connect nice and easily with things like Shopify, WooCommerce, Magenta, you know, pretty much most of the common store platforms. So that's essentially what Printful's ordering. It does seem like they're maybe a little bit limited in the types of products that they'll warehouse for you. And we'll take a look at kind of what their fees are and how those stack up against the Amazon FBA fees. So what is warehousing and fulfillment? With warehousing and fulfillment, you can store products sold at your e-commerce store at our warehouse, and we'll fulfill your orders and ship the products directly to your customers under your own brand. And Printful's good, right? So Printful will, you know, white label ship or blind ship. So it's not going to say Printful on the packages. It's going to have your company info. Have an e-commerce store with an expanding product line, but don't want to handle order fulfillment. Sell both Printful and non-Printful products and would like them to be shipped together whenever possible. So that's another benefit. If you're doing print-on-demand stuff and you're selling backpacks, if someone orders one of each, they'll ship together. Want to get orders out as fast as one day, or maybe you want to free up some space and leave the hassle of packing and shipping products by yourself in the past. We can fulfill and ship your products out same day. We offer same day shipping for warehousing and orders placed by 2 p.m. Let's see how it works. I don't have my headphones in, but you guys should be able to hear this.
With Printful's warehousing and fulfillment service, you can store your products in our warehouses.
I should just have my headphones at the ready. I can never hear these things when I'm playing them for you guys.
And ship it directly to your customer under your brand. Here's how. First, you create a Printful account, which is free, and connect your online store. We connect with a lot of the biggest e-commerce platforms, so you can choose the one that suits you best. When it's done, you have to tell us more about the products you want to store with us. We'll then check to see if they meet our requirements. Once we've approved your products, you can send them to our warehouses in the USA or Europe, or both. Note that there is a monthly storage fee for this service, and it's based on size and quantity of your stored items. Once the products have arrived in our warehouses, sync them with your store and your Printful account, and you can start selling. When someone orders a product from your store with us, the order information is automatically sent to Printful. We charge you for fulfillment, pack your product and ship it directly to your customer under your brand. We'll also notify you when your stock is running low and it's time to send us more. This way, you can focus your energy on promoting your store, building a brand, and making sales, while we take care of your store's orders. And that's how warehousing and fulfillment with Printful works. Hey, it's Wes from Printful. I hope you found that video very helpful. All the links that we mentioned can be found in the description below. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Okay, so I have no idea what they just said to you guys. Like I said, I can't hear. I don't have my headphones in. But you send your products into them, they stock them, they ship them out. They have a warehouse in Charlotte, North Carolina, and another one in Riga, Latvia. So if you have customers in Europe, they have a European fulfillment center. Most of us probably have customers in the U.S., so they ship out of Charlotte. Why choose Printful? 2 locations, same-day fulfillment up until 2 p.m., affordable pricing, free sign-up, friendly support team, automatic order fulfillment. And I think one of the most attractive things is if you're already using Printful to dropship a lot of print-on-demand items, you can have everything kind of shipping out from the same place. As far as items that they'll accept, stationery, clothing, shoes, stickers, magnets, accessories, bags, pins, books, and much, much more. And if you want to sell anything, if you want them to hold any of your inventory, you have to get it approved. You would click here, and you can kind of go through the process. They won't warehouse anything larger than 15 by 15 by 10, and they won't warehouse anything that's over $750. Now, in terms of the costs, the processing and fulfillment fees, the fulfillment fee per package containing items from the warehouse is $2. There's a picking fee of 95 cents. The receiving, processing, barcoding is free, and in packaging materials, let's see if you use it. So I guess if your stuff's packed up and ready to go, there probably won't be an additional cost. If they're having to pack it for you, there will be an additional cost, and then there is storage fees. 1 to 50 units is $1.95 per cubic foot. Let's see, $25 a month. Okay, with a $25 monthly minimum. 51 to 200 units is $165 a foot. And 200 plus is $135 a foot. The one thing that makes this a little bit less attractive, I'm not sure how much stuff they're willing to take, but pretty much everything they've shown here is stuff that that you could do print on demand. So personally, I would just use another print on demand company to sell stickers or magnets or stationery, some of this other stuff, bags. But I could see somebody using these as like pack-ins. So when you buy a t-shirt, you automatically get a keychain or you automatically get a pin. I've actually used Print-Aura in the past to do pack-ins like that. So I don't know if that's kind of the angle that they're going for. And then let's kind of take a quick look at kind of how this stacks up to Amazon FBA fees. And you know what? I'm probably not going to dig into this too much. I will link down in the description box below to where you can check out Printful's fees, as well as where you can check out Amazon FBA's fees. Now, I don't know if we can definitively say that one is cheaper than the other. Amazon FBA weight plays a big role. I don't see anything here with weight playing in. So if you sell heavier items, I could see Printful potentially being cheaper. Otherwise, it's going to depend on a lot of factors. But I will link down in the description box below to Amazon's 2019 picking and packing fees, as well as Printful. But was pretty interested to see the service rollout. I hadn't really seen or heard anything about this. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Are any of you guys using 3PL companies already? If so, which ones are you using and what do you think of them? And for those of you guys kind of learning about this, would you ever use Printful for your warehousing and order fulfillment? Drop a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below. If you learned something today, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one.